ni Grid.
Oo.
You need...
Kufra siguro.
This is a Rafflesia hero. Kasi Kiel BJ is going to be the X-Borg.
X-Borg.
Unless Kiel BJ will switch. Pwede kasing mag-Rafflesia X-Borg eh. Oh! Louis Rafflesia.
Alright.
Rafflesia. Pero against... Wow. Okay, wait. Let's look at the side lanes. Masha and Balmond sa Exe. Thams, X-Borg. Para sa Aura PH. Oh! Yung
Hira ng lineup ba?
Hirap parang... ang ganda kasi ng combo ng... ng Harit tsaka Balmond eh.
Yes, not to mention, kung sa harapan, okay yung foreman stack dito ng Execration. Pero, pwede mo kasing laruin talaga yung comp ng Aura na hiwa-hiwalay eh. Like, YSS would have an impact even if he doesn't join the game. Now, he can easily just cast the Mountain Shocker. Although, being final naman siya, he's part of the 1-3-1. He's part of the 3 in the 1-3-1.
But one thing to take note, kapag to counter the Yishun Shin, kailangan mo ng hero na pumapasok, and that is the Harit.
Yeah, they got it. Yeah.
Oo, meron sila. Plus,
And this is Execration we're talking about eh.
Oo.
You know, man, I can, if it based on that game too, I think I can vote for Execration.
Ako din.
I think I'm voting Execration on this,
Parang ang ganda ng
Game
adjustment nung Harit Balmond para sa Execration. It seems like Execration, basa nila yung line-up. Parang ini-expect nila yung Tams.
Yeah.
Ini-expect nila yung X-Borg
Yeah.
sa Aura PH.
Tol, they are a team that was able to get a win despite having Aura na nakakuha ng 4 na buff sa kanila.
Yes.
What if Execration is able to answer yung early buff control lagi na ginagawa ng Aura, di ba?
Yeah.
Diba? Nakabawi pa sila ng game number 2 eh.
Yeah.
Alam mo yun, they have the mindset for it. Hindi sila nagpaya basta sa Aura. Now, this one, maybe they can do something. Maybe they can do it cleaner and have a better early game. Although, watch out lang for Rafflesia. Always explosive, always unique, always kakaiba yung approach. And he's holding on to a Luyi. We might be expecting a massive diversion mula dito sa Luyi.
Ang taas na magic damage dito actually ng Aura PH against Execration. Execration has all the capabilities to counterplay with the disarm mechanic on Benny Cutie, with the Searing Torrent, and with the Fatal Links. So ngayon, it seems like Execration, they're now negating the orange buff take. Yung makakuha, si Benny Cutie. Oh, inabangan, question mo.
Yeah, Benny Cutie here, no? Yun lang. At least nabantayan pa rin yung rotation talaga na ginawa niya. But may palit. Rafflesia, naging 200 bigla. Eto, Max, to go for the clear out. Ang tinamaan ng Abyssal Arrow, ng Abyssal Trap dito ay si Chakno. Sumali na rin kaagad si Killua sa may mismong bakbakan. Aura here is a team na willing kaagad mag 5 stack no after
Willing agad. They don't want to
sa
give
4-1 eh. Ang naiwan lang kaagad si Sagitno doon sa may bandang baba.
Ayaw nila magbigay ng kahit anong opportunity para sa Exe. Ginawa na ni Chakno yung best niya para iligtas si Benny Cutie on that pagharang sa kanyang arrow. Look at this, ang ganda ng abang ni JP and ni Grid dito. JP having the purple buff, Rafflesia dying here. Yun, si Etomax pala to. Etomax, beautiful kicker out. Look at Chakno. Karangan natin, pero yun, execute from Killua Shinbu. There you go.
Pinahawak na lang din ng Execute. Alam mo ang logic sa paghawak ng Execute kung sino lang nutline eh, no?
Oo nga eh, rekta.
Para rekta eh. Kasi may didikit mo talaga yung Execute mo eh. Kaya, ayun. Let's see here. Chakno with the position. Pero, ayan, still too early. Accounting for the buff toll, okay naman yung buff distribution. Meron bang na ano?
Parang,
na,
actually, nawalan lang ng orange buff dito ang Aura PH. Good job para dito kay paring Benny Cutie. But it seems na ang Execration, they're forcing it in the top side. They need to be careful. Kailangan kasama nila si Hit ngayon. Kasi kapag kasama si Hit, kukulangin yung damage output nila to deal with the utilities. Kasi merong meron ding may shields coming in from Aura. Plus again, meron silang Abyssal Trap. So they need to be careful. There you go. Mountain Shocker, they now...
Ganda ng rotation ni Grid. Kanina ko pa tinitingnan niya. Hinabol niya lang talaga. Umikot siya, tapos binigla niya. Pauwi na sana yan si Sagitno. Di niya akalain na commit pa rin yung Selena. Pero alam naman natin, no, yung mga recall na malapitan sa kamay ng mga pro player. Alam kasi nila paano kontra niyan. Grabe si Grid. Nanggigil. Round 2 sa may gitna.
Bukod doon, Shinbu, kasi yun din yung advantage pag may Yishun Shin kang kampi eh. Sasabihin mo lang, ulti ka nga, pulado na yon, nagre-recall. Diba? So, hindi ka rin makatakas talaga. So, Execration needs to be careful of the global threat na meron ang Aura PH. Aura PH is now playing their game, no?
Yeah.
Ito na yung
Yeah,
sabi
and-
nila, paganahin na natin si Glib.
Parang nga nagko-collapse yung execution eh.
Oo
No?
nga eh. Yeah.
Parang kailangan na huminga ng execution dito. They're losing clearly. Pero patukay pa rin naman yung goal dito ng Aura PH. Tsaka may setup pa rin naman na pwedeng gawin sa Chakno. Pero nag-i-snowball talaga JP. Consistent yung farming niya. Si Grid din, humahakdi na rin yung Selena.
Pwede pa rin silang magtiis pogi, no?
Oh, yeah.
Masakit pa rin yung damage output nila and they have a Masha in their comp. So ganito ang mangyayari if ever manalo sila sa team fights, easy access to the push. Masha has the Inspire. Di ba lang natin ulit nakita yung Masha Inspire spell to proc the turbo mashes ng Masha. No pun intended, Shinbu. Ngayon, papasok tayo sa second rotation. May invade na ginagawa ang Aura sa baba. Tinatarget nila si Sagitno. Okay.
Yeah. Oh, well, they got a very nice catch onto sa Gitno. Tuloy pa rin yata yung collapse dito ng Exed. They have to be careful on Rafflesia. Baka makonektahan siya ng duality pero I think that's it. Let's see here for the top lane side. Naging gate bigla kagad nawala. Si Etomax, man. Picks after picks are being done by Aura here.
Yes.
Kailangan umingat ng execution.
This time, Aura na yung nagsiset ng tempo. It's really important talaga yung orange buff na steal ni Benny kanina. Nabigyan pa ng opportunity dito. Sila Grid maging aggressive. Shutdown. Okay? Shutdown gold. But, look at the system. Aura PH now stealing the mid tower. Men, ang laking bagay na nakuha ni JP dito yung first blood kanina with the purple buff. Kasi, counted as assassin marksman ng isang Yishun Shin. And kapag malambot ka, yung Searing Torrent, it doesn't do anything against the Traceless ng isang Yishun Shin. And the fact na meron silang diversion ultimate Rafflesia, some can just hold, diba? Matamaan, tapos TP lahat sa likod. Execration, this time they're on defensive mode. Kailangan nilang ma-shoot lahat ng mga big ultimates nila dahil kung hindi, unti-unti silang napipick off again.
Yeah, and also they need to start doing those kind of tago brush technique kasi may kit yung Aura eh, to check it eh.
Hindi kaya eh.
Tsaka taas ng game sense ng Aura na hindi na gumagana yung mga tago-tago brush technique na yan sa totoo lang. Kailangan mo mangisa sa rotation. Sa Gitno here, sa Gitno is totally getting punished on his own lane. Even Benny Cutie is struggling for this lumipara sa kanila. Hate here was able to secure the buff. Buti na lang. Harit here goes online. Zaman Force activated para panghabol lamang JP sa may pinakarapan. Si Kiluash will walk away. Pinashoon na lang mula dito sa perfect match ni Chakno.
Ang naramdaman na rin ng execration na dadating si Kiluwatch doon. Hindi ugod ng pangarap. Good pick up para dito sa execration. We have ourselves a ball game now. Hindi ganun kabagal. And it seems like Aura is back. Parang nagising na sila dito sa series natin na to. Men, ang interesting pala nung match-up nung Balmond at saka nung Tams. Kasi, usually Balmond, gusto niyang i-utilize yung ikot-ikot damage. Pero kay Luas is just lifesteal technique lang eh. Hindi makapag-push ngayon yung side lanes ng X eh. Even though, yes, Hate, he will go for the kill, but that is the threat. There you go.
Built na. Yun ang paggulat. Sa low, yung bato ni Rafflesia. And now, kayong pangalan ginawa yung play na yon and Aura is already leading. Paano pa kaya kung yun, nakita nyo, nag-manifest, di ba? Killing spree, ladies and gentlemen. And 412 din at kailangan ma-burn ni Kel BJ yung kayang last insanity. The push won't be completed here nila Benny Cutie. Or maybe,
yung canon lang yung target.
Oo.
Even though kiliti na lang yung Tori na yan, ang laki pa rin ng tulong niyan.
Mukha nga eh.
Buti sana kung na-deny eh. Hindi na-deny.
Oo nga.
Yung pag ganyan, pa-deny mo na yan. Para open eh. So, ang laki pa rin tulong niyan. Even though pwede pa yan makahit ng 2 or 4, it negates execration from going in by a second. By 2 or 3 probably. And I think it's still Aura's ball game under control. JP is at 304. Meanwhile, yung laban niya si Hate, level 11, 112. Pero execration this time ang may 3. So kapag umabot tayo ng late game Shin, kapag umabot tayo sa crucial Lord takes, mas threatening yon. Mas may threat ang execration. Men, again, Aura, kailangan lang maging careful. May mash quick push para sa execute.
Ang bilis. Minaliit yung damage na pwedeng ibigay ni Kuluwas. Merong execute. At yun, nagmukhang cute talaga. Sila Benny cute against Etomax against Kiluwash.
Sabi ni Kiluwash, cute ka pala.
Cute ka pala ito, execute.
Tineres oo nga eh. Execute. Man, that was 1-on-2. Nagkaroon pa dito ng arrow.
Walang counterat yan, ha? Walang counterat yan. Pwede burahin talaga ni Hate yan. Now goes for Grid. Walang taya si Grid dito. Pero mauli naman Chakno at lumayo na lamang si Hate. No Zaman Force for that.
No Zaman Force. Pero merong diversion. Diversion TP coming in from Aura PH. Execration holding the line. Benny Cutie now at level 9. Shinbu, what can he do? Nako po. There you go.
Linis din kay JP dito.
Eh.
Eto na yung Bay to the Sick na Ling. Sa totoo lang.
Umalik. Binalik. Biglang
Ay,
nagising.
Bay to the Sick na Ling. Sorry, Bay to the Sick na YSS.
YSS.
Kasi tayo sa Ling ni JP eh. Pero tingnan natin sa gitno dito. Just showing the lanes up top. Etomax na nahuli na naman. Abyssal Trap. Ikaw commit. Kumuha ng tulak para kay JP. Bloodwoods. Nasaan na yun? Chakno sa may pinakalikod doon. Perfect match para gamitin. Fatal Links. Nasaan na rin? Hindi. Na-traceless na lang. Sa gitno na humahabol dito. Pinagpapanak-panak na lang si Zagitno.
Ay, sakit
Masakit, no? Yan.
Ay, masakit, no?
Sakit, no?
Para kay sakit, no?
Oo.
Aura PH. Man, it is now clear kung sino ang may kalamangan.
Yeah.
Finally, nakakita tayo ng ganitong game for both of these teams. I'm still having high hopes for Execration to come
Yun
back
na eh.
from this. Kasi again, ang bilis ng push capability pero with immortalities on Aura PH side, sabi ng Aura, alam nyo guys, dinahang namin ang ulam eh.
Oo.
Pinapakala nyo naman talaga, sabi ng Aura dito. Eto, Max, falling for the Abyssal Trap. Baloy, si Lena is in town. Ang gandang fatal link.
Yeah, maganda yung Fatal Links under the third, pero the damage might be awkward. Kill BJ just with farming missiles as he flicker out. Hate is able to get a kill. At least napigilan lang din yung push on the inhib.
Yeah. Execration doing the best they
Yes.
can to defend this. Pero hindi pa rin natin nakikita yung gusto nilang Zaman Force, Lethal Counter, Fatal Links. Kasi iniisa-isa sila lagi ng Aura.
Yes,
Every time na papasok sila ng kill,
Oo.
laging may TP sa likod eh. Kung walang TP, may
Tsaka-
pana na sasalubong.
Tsaka, nadali talaga yung side lane nila.
Oo, na parang
Pareha side lane,
natalo yung
tumalbog.
side
Oo.
lane, oo.
Ng except yun yung na-punish sa gitno. Hindi naramdaman yung threat ng Balmond din.
I
Eh,
think
alam natin, di ba, late game, may strength pa rin yung Balmond on the execute. Pero yung spin to win niya, wala na.
Yeah.
Naku, nakita siya ni JP.
Nakita nga. Naku, sa
Patay
gitno dito,
yan.
umikot.
Bam! Ay, naku! Oh my God! Audition! Pero gusto na talagang patuloyan si JP dito. That's good from Hate. 1v3. 1v1. After nakuha ng isa dyan. Pero si Kilua, stall. Relax ka lang.
Relax
Low
ka
race lang.
Race lang 5 minutes. 5 minutes kinuwash. May
Alam mo, tol.
Oo.
Alam mo, tol, sa mga hiwa-hiwalay na laban, pwede bumawi dito yung exec eh. Dito sila malakas eh.
Diyan sila malakas eh. Comeback pa to, comeback pa to. Ay, Lord ah. Walang red 3, 15 seconds.
Kiluwash.
Alam ni Kiluwash. Pag ito talaga nakuha ni Kiluwash.
Pag ito talaga. Chakno!
Alam mo.
Chakno! Oh, Chakno na.
Isri ba para sa Excel? Let's look at the Gillette instant replay. Beautiful Zaman Force combination para kay Hit. Look at the chrono dash
Chrono
pa
dash,
pala.
yes.
Para magka-extra proc pa on the shield and he was able to outplay 3 heroes. Hit making the clutch play for his team to probably come back from his deficit. Pulado na ang
Pwede.
kanilang mga towers.
Pwede yan, men.
Ito ba ay ang kiliti ng
Pwede talaga eh.
Aura? Parang pwede. What's
Pwede
happening?
talaga eh. Exec eh. Benny Cutie. Nangyari sa Pinas. Tower dive gagad yung nangyari. Di nabutas. Yung unang torre sa baba. Pero, launch attack. Chakno dito. Nag-force ng flicker out against
Yes.
kay Grid.
XS using the time of the Lord. Hindi makareact ngayon ang Aura PH kasi nakikita ng Aura na may Lord sa bandang top lane kaya pinipilit nila dito ang bottom side. Kailangan lang wag sila ma-outplay dahil ayun yung Zaman Force ni paring
Yeah.
8. That
Wow,
but the
exec, no?
diversion,
Yan, Dive Nation fighting between turrets, hindi under the turret. JP na nakagip, butik pa madali na makulit, pero tingnan
Ano?
natin as the peel out is completed by Rafflesia, at least may push na nagawa doon sa may bandang baba. Tol, ano to? Katulad ba to ng game 2?
Parang comeback eh. Nakita mo yung full commit ng execration. They know na may magdedepensa sa Lord. They know na may magpapakitang isa dyan. Could have been sana na si Raplesha yun para may TP pero hindi. Oh, what?
Hindi, pa rin siya dito, kaso nandiyabitos sila! Jackno, mga kaibigan! Beautiful Fatal Links allows for the double kill dito ni Hate! Man,
Jackno is real! Aura PH! Crucial clutch play from
Grabe
Jackno and Hate! Getting 3 heroes! Pangatlong consecutive deaths for Aura PH with a snap. Execration nakabawi kagad. 1k na yung kalamangan ng execration. The hype is real. Look at the Gillette instant replay. Nag-arrow tinamaan na bait.
lumapit na Jebetos. Oo, tol,
Jebetos.
real talk. Ang ganda sumagot ni Jackno doon, tol. Tiniktok.
Oo.
Tiniktok
Sabi ni
yung
Jackno,
oray paglapit.
Sabi ni Chakno, never
But heart.
stress eh.
My heart went.
Oo, my heart went, oops!
Oo.
Fatal links from Chakno. And with this, like what we've said, Shinbu, kapag na-land yung ultimate combo na gustong gawin ng execration, dangerous talaga for Aura PH. Wala
Yeah.
silang natural
Yeah.
tank in the
Yeah.
lineup. Fighters to.
Yeah.
Fighters, Tams, and X-Borg. Yes,
Yeah.
siguro magunat ang X-Borg. but
Fighting
yun-
Dreamers.
Fighting Dreamers eh.
Fighting Dreamers eh.
Mga
Except
ninja
na
eh. Oo,
Oy.
Mga ninja,
Naku.
papi eh.
Grabe ito. Init ng laban, guys. Pa 15-minute mark na tayo. Actually, pag inano mo yung items yan, sure, nasa 5 to 6 item na yan. Wolf,
Wait,
nahunting, Gitno. Nagpakunat na lang siya sa Gitno dito. Ang daming siya pwedeng iba ganyan. May kunat nga talaga pwedeng gawin yan. Nakapwesto naman si Chakno doon.
Benny
At
Cutie.
dito, initiate ngayon. Nakispatan lang siya ng arrow ni Grid.
Hindi nila makita si Benny Cutie. They want to know where Benny Cutie is bago sila lumaban. Alam ng Aura PH na potential bait yon. And this time, nagpakita na si Benny Cutie sa bottom lane. So, Aura now defending this. Nice mountain shocker para kay JP. So, okay, merong unting segundo ang execution. They know na walang mountain shocker. I think it's time for them to make a move. Kasi this time, lamang na sila. Men,
Tol.
sobrang deserve nitong dalawang teams yung hype na nakikita natin.
Indeed.
Ang ganda ng laban.
Tapos nakakatuwa kasi, alam mo yun, MPL Season 6, ang dami nag-step up. Benny Cutie, Chakno, eto Max, Zapno, no. Hate, tol. Hate. Michael Pacquiao.
Michael Pacquiao is real eh.
Michael Pacquiao is real eh. True talent. Oh.
Men,
Oo eh.
tutukan kayo ni Daddy. Ano kayo ni Daddy? Sabi ni Hate.
Hate talaga.
Hate talaga, yes. And now, they're putting on the... Oh, hindi nila makita. What? Ang ganda
Bak! Ladies and gentlemen, at nakita mo si Bak! Wasak dito si Bak! And that's it, ladies and gentlemen. Hate is gonna be shut down. The massive play coming in from Raplesha, ang pinakamagulang na player sa ML, sa MPL. Woo, ML! Set up by Raplesha, death timers are too much. Hindi yun in-expect ng execration, awat ang bura. At neto nakuha pa yung Lord against Aura.
Pinag-uusapan natin si Hate. At si Hate yung tinarget. Sabi nila, boom, pala gasolina. Sinupresa nila si Hate.
Nadali na Twitter walk.
Na Twitter mo, cancel YouTube. Ay,
Chakno! Mabubuhay si Benny Cutie, mabubuhay din si Eto Max, pero kulang na. And that's it, nakagulang pa. Raplesha na naman pinaset up. And they will push RPH to a 2-1 in this series.